Bookmap versus GoCharting, which charting platform wins? Choosing the right charting platform can completely change how you analyze markets without missing critical data. Both offer unique tools for trading visualization and decision making. Bookmap and GoCharting are powerful charting platforms designed for active traders. The core difference lies in Bookmap's focus on heat map order flow visualization, while GoCharting emphasizes customizable multi-chart layouts and extensive technical indicators. Bookmap is an advanced trading platform that specializes in real-time order flow visualization through its heat map technology. It displays market liquidity, showing where large orders are placed and executed, giving traders a detailed insight into market depth and volume dynamics. Bookmap works by aggregating order book data and trades, then visualizing them as a heat map that highlights areas of high liquidity and price movement intensity. Its strengths include precise order flow tracking, customizable alerts, and integration with multiple brokers and exchanges. This makes it ideal for scalpers and day traders who rely on reading market microstructure for quick decisions. However, Bookmap's interface can be complex for beginners, and its subscription cost is higher compared to some alternatives. It also requires a stable data feed to fully leverage its capabilities. Overall, Bookmap suits experienced traders focused on order flow analysis and those who want an edge in fast-moving markets, especially futures and crypto trading. GoCharting is a versatile charting platform designed to offer extensive technical analysis tools combined with user-friendly customization. It provides multi-chart layouts, a wide range of drawing tools, and over 170 technical indicators, making it a comprehensive choice for traders of all levels. GoCharting supports various asset classes including stocks, futures, forex, and cryptocurrencies, with real-time data and seamless integration with popular brokers. Its strengths lie in its intuitive interface, flexible charting options, and community-driven features like shared trading ideas and templates. Unlike Bookmap, GoCharting does not focus on order flow heat maps, but instead excels in traditional technical analysis and chart pattern recognition. The platform offers a free tier with essential features and affordable premium plans. Its limitations include less emphasis on market depth visualization and order flow, which might not satisfy traders who need granular liquidity insights. GoCharting is ideal for swing traders, technical analysts, and those who prefer a customizable and accessible platform for a broad range of markets. Comparing Bookmap and GoCharting reveals distinct strengths suited to different trading styles. Bookmap shines in real-time order flow and liquidity visualization, making it perfect for scalpers and day traders who need to track market depth precisely. Its heat map technology offers a unique advantage in spotting hidden liquidity and potential price moves. On the other hand, GoCharting provides a more traditional charting experience with powerful technical indicators and multi-chart layouts, better suited for swing traders and those relying on technical analysis. While Bookmap demands a steeper learning curve and higher cost, GoCharting is more accessible with a free plan and simpler interface. The trade-off is between granular market microstructure insights versus broad technical analysis tools. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize order flow data or customizable charting flexibility. Bookmap is recommended for traders focused on order flow and market depth seeking detailed real-time liquidity insights for active trading. GoCharting is ideal for traders who want flexible, multi-asset charting with extensive technical indicators and an intuitive interface. For those prioritizing traditional technical analysis and ease of use, GoCharting offers a powerful yet accessible platform to enhance trading decisions.